How to promote your home-based business and make money fast. In this video, we'll explain how to market your home-based business. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. Building a home business takes hard work and persistence, but it's a whole lot easier to make money at home when you have a blueprint to follow. These proven strategies provide a solid pattern so you can make money fast while avoiding some of the trial and error that comes with starting a business from scratch. Use marketing techniques that work year-round. Before jumping in with both feet, analyze each marketing opportunity to see if it will benefit your business for the long haul. Some advertising opportunities seem reliable, but actually soak up your dollars without any long-term results. The type of marketing that's worth trying is a type that brings in targeted customers that can possibly make multiple purchases and refer others to your business. For example, if you sell ebooks about home business, target those who are interested in starting a home business, and you might also be able to share your products with other home business owners. Campaigns that don't work are those that promise thousands of visitors to your website, but offer no promise that these visitors are remotely interested in your products. Some advertising sites will allow you to choose your category for targeting, but these categories are so big that there's no guarantee you're reaching a target audience. These programs seem very cheap but are usually wasteful. Are you enjoying the video? Make sure to leave a like and share it with your friends. Make money fast with targeted marketing that works. Make the most of your advertising dollars by finding very specific or targeted campaigns. These can be paid search engines using keywords, classified ads online and offline, content article marketing, press releases, and e-zine advertising. Each of these methods can be costly, but they can also be targeted. So, you'll reach your audience and have more of an opportunity to sell your products and gain repeat business. If you want to make fast money online, it's brilliant that you find targeted methods of marketing. Upsell customers to make money at home. Once your home business is established and you begin to make sales, there's every opportunity to upsell your customers. This means offering an additional item or service to your customers each time they make a purchase. Customers are more likely to add an extra product while in the middle of a purchase than to return later. You can upsell using squeeze pages or checkboxes in the order form. Either way, you're encouraging customers to buy more during each visit, which can increase your bottom line in a hurry. Build for the future. Always give customers the best service possible so they will buy from you again. This is crucial to building your business. The easiest customers to reach are those who have already bought from you before. You don't only want to make money now, but also in the future. Treat every customer as though they're going to spend hundreds of dollars with you over the next few years. You'll be a winner and your home business will grow. Use other tools to make money with your computer. Having a home business doesn't mean you can't use some of the same tools that other businesses use. Create business cards, thank you notes, brochures, sales letters, and referral cards to send to your clients. These can go a long way and can continue selling for you when you're not able to speak face-to-face with the client. Also, keep your website up to date and follow up with clients using email. Create a newsletter and offer useful tips based on what your customers need. This is a great way to get customers back to your website without using pushy tactics. Whether selling ebooks, software, or other products and services, Keep your business name before the customer as much as possible. Implement each of these strategies to make money fast online, and you'll soon see results like never before. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also have 50 videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.